replacement theology is right and wrong. Jesus said, I will take the kingdom of God away from you. This is in Matthew 21:43. I will take the kingdom of God away from you, Israelites. That's the worst thing you can say to anybody. And it will be given to another people who will bear fruit. That's the international Christian church bearing fruit on the basis of the parable of the sower. So that is replacement. I'm replacing you, Jesus said. You've done so badly that I, as the Messiah, am going to have to reject you. That's replacement. That's not the whole story. In Romans 9-11, it shows that God has not forgotten his ethnic people ultimately. So both things are true. Replacement, temporarily, ultimately a remnant of now blinded, unconverted, what we call Jews, wherever they are. They're going to come to their senses under the pressure of the Great Tribulation. That's all in Romans 9-11. So when Paul speaks about Israelites, his brothers who are blinded, he's very sad about that. He means the Israel of the flesh. He doesn't mean the Israel of the spirit. When he talks about the international church of all nations, now, those are the Israel of the spirit, as distinct from his other phrase, the Israel of the flesh, otherwise known as Israelites. Once you get the vocabulary clear, as for Zionism, the other part of his question, Zionism is impossible. You cannot have the kingdom of God in Israel with no Messiah there. You can go to Jerusalem, you won't find the Messiah sitting on the throne of David, so you haven't got the kingdom. So Zionism is simply wishful thinking.